3 inch from center line, pant center line 6 inch. Pant side seam line, knee to leg opening. Pant side seam line, waist, hip, thigh, knee, leg opening, side seam line. Pant inseam line, front cross point to knee line. Pant inseam line, Farma for Pencil Fit Jeans Pant with washing allowance, front part drawing and wrapping finish. Now I added 38 washing allowance, front and back part 38 washing allowance, add pant side seam, outside seam line. Now here I make front back cross width and back hook width. Hip 36 divided by 20. We got 1.8 inch plus 38 2/4 inch for front cross point, 1/4 inch, and a back width, back hook width and back cross width. 1.5 inch added at knee area seam allowance. 1.5 inch added at leg opening. This is a seam allowance. Back inseam line. Here 1 cm 38 down point from front cross. Back inseam line 38 down from front cross point. Back rise line. Front hook, back hook point to back hip line, and back rise line 2/4 inch above from front waist seam line to back rise seam waist seam line. Back waist 32 divided by 4, 8 inch. 1 inch seam allowance and 1/2 inch washing allowance. Back side seam line, waist seam to thigh cross point. Back yoke length 1.5 inch at side seam. Back yoke length 2 3/4 at back right seam line. Back yoke, front pocket opening, front waist line, back waist line. Farma for Pencil Fit Jeans Pant with wash allowance, front to back to Farma for Pencil Fit Jeans Pant with wash allowance, drafting finish. Now I make final cutting pattern. You must wash this point must be 90 degree angle, back rise and back waist seam 90 degree angle. Now I here start cutting. Here I added 1 inch seam allowance at bottom, front back 5/8 folding and 3/8 seam allowance.